Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing mini braids as a protective style. The products I will be using is Eating Body Works leave-in conditioner, Eating Body Works curl cream, and As I Am's curling jelly. To get started, I let my hair kind of air dry and then I separated my hair into sections. So I'm going to first dampen my hair with my mixture of aloe vera and water, and then I add the leave-in, and then I wanted to choose a heavy cream to keep my hair moisturized because I plan on keeping in these braids for at least a week. As I get to the end of the braid, I make sure to smooth my hair with my small tooth comb and add the As I Am's curling jelly. My steps are pretty repetitive. I add my mixture of water, aloe vera, leave-in, next cream, and then I seal with the As I Am's curling jelly.
I think you better set shoes out of line. Saying tomorrow I think this shit's never gone. Easy make easy wake up on. Just give as much as you take, forgive as much as you hate. Or get the fuck out. I'm running the draw, cooking for old out. No, just taking it slow.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.